Hello, how to use batch folder monitoring with Batch PDF Flip 360. So to do this, you can either do it from the desktop or from the Windows Start menu, or you can go into the software setup menu, click monitor. And then in the monitor, you can click on monitor setup. Now in here, you can set your folders that you want to scan and what you want to output to folder. So I want to scan this folder here. I don't need a setup file because I don't have any settings. It's just going to use default settings. After it's done, I'm going to move it to the done folder. And then I'm going to move any errors to the error folder. And then the outputs, I'm going to put in the output folder there. So you can either browse or just put them in like that or type them in as I've done. Once that's set up, you click add to monitor list. So that's now set up, ready to go. If you want to update any of these, you just left mouse click on it and it comes up here, and you can change it and right mouse update. So you can see that it's changed it there. So you can add more than one, you can have up to 300 in here. So you can scan different folders and it will actually run them all at the same time as well, but it will run in file sequence through each folder. So I can monitor, say that one there, update that. So now if you click on that and click on that, it changes depending on what you're clicking on. So in this case, I'm just going to run the one. Save and close. It says monitor not active. Can activate monitoring. Save and close. The trial version will just run for 1 hour. The full version just runs indefinitely. You can also run as NT service in the background as well. So that's monitor active now, so that should go and process the file. So I can close this down, don't need it. So it's going to hopefully scan these files here and process them. When it's finished, you'll update a log as a process log, so you can see what it's doing. If it's taken a long time, you can go into Task Manager. There's two processes. There's the monitor, which is this software here, and there's Batch PDF Flip 360, which is actually the process thread that's actually processing the file. So far it's done 2 files. If you click on the done folder, you can see that it's done those 2 files there. It's now doing another file. Click on the output, you can see the output files in there. So you can see from here that the orientation has been corrected on those files, and it will continue monitoring this folder. So what I'm going to do is put a new PDF file in there. If I click on view process log and see what's processed in the past, so it's now processed that file. So the singular invoice is there, which is now the correct rotation. The previous source file was on its side, so you can see that's worked. And that's it. Give it a try.